Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to SSBeauty. I'm Reem and today I'm going to tell you how to kickstart your new year with positive vibes and self-love. If you're ready to transform your life and embrace the holistic approach to self-care, you're in the right place. Speaking of Before we dive right in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the amazing content here on SSBeauty. Now, let's get started. Taking care of your skin is more than just a beauty routine. It's a form of self-love. Did you know that your skin is the largest organ in your body? It requires the most amount of care and it is a direct reflection of your emotional and mental well-being. Start by cleansing your face daily. Apply a toner to build a strong skin barrier and top it off with a serum and moisturizer to hydrate your skin for a beautiful complexion. Lastly, don't forget that all-important sunscreen and lip balm. You can also incorporate a bit of face yoga while doing your skincare. It barely takes a couple of seconds. And if you have no tools, no problem. You can recite all the vowels to reduce any fine lines. I also like to use my fingers to give my face a quick face workout. I create a V with my fingers like this and in an upward motion, I move it along my jawline and my cheekbones. This will make sure that the elasticity of my skin stays intact. Apply pressure but don't go overboard. And remember, beauty radiates from within. So nourish your body with lots of water and nutrient-rich foods. Now that we've pampered our skin, let's dive into holistic well-being through movement. Yoga is a fantastic way to connect with your body and soul. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, find a practice that suits you. Incorporate poses that promote flexibility, strength, and balance. Deep, intentional breaths can help release tension and bring mindfulness to your practice. Trust me when I tell you that journaling is a powerful tool for self-discovery and reflection. Block some time every day to jot down your thoughts, dreams, and things you are grateful for. This is a simple practice that can help clear your mind, set intentions, and track your personal growth. Plus, it's a wonderful way to celebrate your wins and learn from any challenges. Speaking of clearing your mind, let's explore the magic of meditation. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Meditation can help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and help cultivate inner peace. But hey, it's okay if your mind wanders. For the longest time, I found it hard to focus. My mind would keep wandering, but with time, it gets better. Just trust the process. As we wrap up our holistic self-care journey, let's talk about finding balance in life. Balancing work, relationships, personal time is essential for your overall well-being. Set boundaries, prioritize self-care. Don't be afraid to say no. Remember, balance looks different for everyone, so honor your own unique journey. Congratulations, you've just taken the first steps towards a holistic self-care routine for the new year. Now, I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember that self-care is a continuous journey, so just be patient with yourself and embrace the process. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below your favorite self-care practices. Here's to a year with love, growth, and radiant well-being. Until next time, take care and be kind to yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to SSBeauty for more such content. Bye!